1-minute Photoshop tutorial, let's go. Alright, so today I would like to share with you guys an interesting way where I color my photos where I color my photos with solid colors or gradient tool. Simply just open up the solid color and choose a color of your choice. Then place it around the area you want to color. Then usually I like to change the normal mode to overlay or hard mix, but it's up to you. Then the final step is that usually people like to drag down the opacity tool, but that will just like damage the picture. So what you should do is you must drag down and play with the fill and opacity tool, both of those, and then voila, like magic, you can like get a color palette of your choice for your pictures. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you guys learned something, please like, share. Alright, stay safe, stay healthy. See you guys in the next video. Bye!